So it's the 15th of June, Saturday, pouring down with rain. And I'm at a mark in Anglesey. Kayla's takes you, I couldn't tell you where it is. And it's very wet. So I had 2 rods in already, and I had a dogfish on both. Tried spinning for wrasse. I'm going to put some feathers on. We've had mackerel, launch, stroke, greater sand eel, wrasse and dogfish. So yeah, I'll keep you updated, but it is absolutely appalling. As I said, I'll show you the mark. So Jones, see if you can guess where we are on Anglesey. Oh yeah, it's lousy. We've had hailstorms as well when we turned up. An idea of what we're fishing into. So it's low water's around midday, isn't it? There's Ricky up there. His friends on the other side. And Caden there. Say hello to Neil.
Hey.
Because he watches your videos. So yeah, anything. So yeah, Caden's put a float on with his launch just there. I don't know if you can see it. So we can attempt a big bass. I've only got 1 rod in at the moment. Fishing my graphic sports with super matches. Not super matches, casting specials. So yeah, I'll see. Put some feathers in, see if I can tempt out a different species to dogfish. There you go. Anything? Is this the whiting?
This is on the whiting, yeah. I don't think there's anything there. There's a load of that May bloom on the line.
Oh yeah. So there, cast another doggy. That's on a Joey mackerel on a size 8 hook. That was foul hooked on one of its fins. So it's been spinning for wrasse without much joy. But Ricky's friend Tommy's caught. How many wrasse has he caught now? 4 or 5?
3, I think.
3.
1 and a lance.
Okay, yeah.
Dog.
Yeah. So we'll keep plodding at it, just trying to fish our way through the dogfish. Right, so feathering now for some live baits to put on the Tope. I'll show the rig and all that in a bit. So yeah, first cast, a little mackerel, nice one. So yeah, I'll reel in this Joey in the next 5-10 minutes, and this will go on nice fresh bait. Hopefully somebody can get a run.
3 dogs on them baited feathers. I suppose that was going to happen, wasn't it? I was joking earlier that there were 6 on this way. Wasn't far off.
So it's about 12 now. We've been joined by a family that have been feathering. They've got a few small pollock, but not much joy really. I think it's slack tide now. So we expect a flood and tide, see if that changes. It's actually stopped raining, it's not too bad, but there's storm clouds brewing in the distance. I'm going to start putting my waterproofs back on. Very quiet on the mackerel front, we've only had the 2. And he had drama there. Ceirion float with his launch, or his greater sand eel, was being attacked by those 2 seagulls then.
Oh Except now.
It's
It has been alive for a long time.
it has, yeah, a good 3-4 hours. I reckon Tommy are off, they've had enough now.
Oh, going in the towel. I can't deal with this Welsh weather. And I live in the Lake District, that's saying something.
I'll give you an idea of some of the inclement weather we're having to fish through. It's 2:30 now, so we'll be fishing it hard for 6-7 hours. So yeah, just dogfish and more dogfish. Ricky and his friend Tommy went home about an hour and a half ago. I think they'd had enough of catching dogfish, so I'm still targeting trying to put a big bait out for Tope. Just need one run, would make the day. And yet another doggy. Actually had a double doggy on the Pennell rig then, one each, but one did the decent thing and fell off before I got it in. So new bait and out and try again. Let's get out. Get that. And this is what we're having to put up with.
How many this time? 2?
3. 3 at a time.
Could that be, yeah.
You're in the middle, yeah.
Thank you.
Dog City.
Oh dear.
I think it's beaten us the mark today.
I believe so.
Certainly beat Ricky and Tommy. That's it now, we're packing up. We've been dogged out. We tried our hardest, fishing near on 9 hours, so what more can we do? So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you about.